Hi there. I understand you're facing a frustrating issue with your Bosch dishwasher not draining properly. Let's work together to get it back to working order. First, let's tackle the most common culprits. Check the filter. Over time, the filter can become clogged with food particles and debris, preventing water from draining effectively. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the dishwasher, and clean it thoroughly under running water. Inspect the drain hose. Ensure the drain hose is not kinked, bent, or obstructed. It should be securely connected to both the dishwasher and the drain pipe. Examine the drain pump. If the filter and hose are clear, the issue might lie with the drain pump. A malfunctioning pump can prevent the dishwasher from draining completely. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's time to delve a little deeper. Check for leaks. A leak can cause the float switch to activate, preventing the drain cycle from starting. Inspect the dishwasher for any signs of leaks, such as water on the floor or around the door. Verify the control panel. Ensure the dishwasher is selected to the correct cycle and that the start button has been pressed. Sometimes, a simple error in the control panel settings can cause draining issues. Still experiencing dishwasher not draining Bosch? If you've tried these solutions and your Bosch dishwasher is still not draining, it's advisable to contact a professional appliance repair technician. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose and repair more complex issues, such as a faulty control board or a clogged drain line. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing future problems. Clean the filter regularly, avoid overloading the dishwasher, and use a high-quality dishwasher detergent to ensure optimal performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the dishwasher not draining Bosch issue and get your appliance back to working efficiently. Let me know if you have any other questions.